Good morning, everybody. This is Emily from Vintage Polka Dot Shop, and I wanted to pop on here real quick and share the winner of the journal kit giveaway, and that is Danielle Bose. Woohoo! And she was on the email list. And then, because there were so many entries and it's fun to give stuff away, I decided to do a second drawing. And I'm going to give this book, and then I'm going to just give some random things from my craft, from Craft Room Craft Supplies, make a little mini kit. And the winner of this book is Susan Bennett. So thank you guys for your comments and your kind words, and for signing up on my email list and all that good stuff. I really appreciate y'all. And if you want to see how I'm coming along on my journals, I have posted an update on my blog, Vintage Polka Dot blog, and I hope to finish them this weekend if all goes well. So I will talk to you soon. Bye.